Okay, so at any time in the process, it'll always be good to at least once. I'm sure once you've done a few of those, you don't need to obviously go back to the how-to document, but at least the first time, it's a great info to go through it because we offer different places where you can reach us. You can reach us, you can see videos, you can go on our website, and also it'll be a little bit of a tutorial for the first time. It'll talk about your files and how to use them in your die cutting machines or your cutting machines. And it would also, an important part is it'll show you how with the die cutting machine. I'll show you here where we talk about it, but we'll say how the blue score lines are the mountain folds and the red score lines are the valley fold, because the dotted lines doesn't really go up into CRICUT anyways. It gets transformed into the full lines, so we colored them to help you. So basically the blue lines and the red lines, and you can see how here those are basically the two sets of lines that you need to know about, and the mountains and the valleys, and these will always be blue and these will always be red. So that's a great thing to know. But then we also, show you how the process goes and how you can attach the pieces together. And so there's a lot of great info in here. This will be useful, but once you know it, then you're good to go. And every time you get a pattern and you get the files for the die cutting machine, you'll also get the PDF document, which is basically the pattern that other people or most people will use to print on their printer and cut by hand. But for you, what will be great is that this will have more information that cannot be put into the die cutters in a way. So you'll have oftentimes you'll have the pieces numbered, and you'll have also information about what is what. For example, those are the ears, and so you'll have great details, and so you can basically put the numbers on your pieces that you just did with your die cutting machine, or you can check here. And this will show you also like the lines, the dotted lines, and yours will be scored, but they won't necessarily have the color. So you'll be able to see which ones are which. And basically that's it. Like, you match the tabs, for example, you'll see here you have 58, 58, so these two need to be put together. And then if you want, you start with the 1 and 2, then you'll find that the 55, 54 have the matching here, so you'll glue those together. And that's it. Like, you just follow one step at a time with the piece, and you have your beautiful little pattern or papercraft made. And we want to see it. We love to see when you make your build, and we're always available if you have questions. Reach out to us on social media, email. Yeah, we love to be there with you. We love to help, and hopefully this is helpful. So thank you so much.